What's up friends, welcome back to another tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dial-in keypad sound on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So do a swipe up, open up settings, tap on sounds and vibration, tap on system sounds. From here you will find dial-in keypad. You will see if it's on or off, but if it's off it looks like this. You can toggle it on if you so desire, if you want to have dial-in keypad. If you don't, leave it off. But this is how you basically turn it on, guys, or turn it off. Very easy and very simple.